Hi guys, this is Ayappa. Today I would like to share you something about that. I was recently completed a 5 days course in Kaggle. Moreover, it is intensive with Google. Firstly, I would like to share my thanks to Kanch ma'am. She played a vital role in understanding the working flow of AI agents, and I would like to thanks to Kaggle. It makes me a part in this 5 days course. Today, I'm really honored to have this opportunity to share a little bit information about my capstone project. So, my capstone project is that I am creating a multi-enterprises AI analyst agent that acts as a virtual senior analyst. So, problem I am targeting is that so many business teams relies on data analysts for even basic reporting. Yes, yeah, it's true. So this causes delays, manual effort, and bottlenecks when decision makers simply want a quick and reliable insights from the datasets. I am overcoming this issue. So my solution is an enterprise AI analyst agent that acts as a virtual senior analyst. So in this course, I learned a lot of things regarding on AI agents, understanding AI agent fundamentals, context engineering and memory management, deployment and scaling. Moreover, the tools and the APIs, hands-on project experience also. I noticed that the modern enterprises struggles with slow manual workflow for analytics, data cleaning, feature extraction, feature engineering, so BA dashboards, insights, extraction, and executive narration. So all requires specialized teams to do. I am understanding this concept and I came across this. So my project, multi-agent enterprise AI analyst, completely redefines this pipeline. So it is a fully autonomous multi-agent system where specialized AI agents collaborate like an enterprise analytical team. So converting raw messy data into clean tables, KPIs, dashboards, insights, and strategy recommendations. So the main advantages here is there's no there human intervention is not there, no manual adjustments is not there, no hard coded codes, and just we just inject the raw data and the raw data intelligence out. So the thing is very simple. Why these project matters? So you may ask why this project matters is nowadays the world is full of enterprises, right? So the millions and millions or trillions of data is produced day by day. So enterprises lose billions from slow analytical pipelines. So employees and spend 70% of time preparing data instead of interpreting it. So this system would actually cut analysis time from weeks to within minutes. Requires no human expertise, produces CEO level outputs instantly, generates dashboards with repeated consistency, allows scalable, reproducible analytics across business units, and moreover, this is a generic enterprise intelligence engine that adapts to any data set. So the overview is just tremendous. It's like it's a multi-agent enterprise analyst is a fully autonomous end-to-end enterprise intelligence system built using coordinated ecosystems of specialized AI agents. So these agents collaboratively transform raw organizational data sets into clean data, diagnostics, insights, KPI dashboards, predictive models, risk assessments, executive ready reports, and some strategic recommendations also, all with near zero manual intervention and with moreover consulting grade quality. So this system stimulates the capability of professional enterprise consulting team by orchestrating agents, our casting analysts, and moreover data engineers, BA specialists, domain expertises, and expertise strategies, all implemented as intelligence. It's all implemented as intelligent, goal-driven agents. So the core concept is that traditional analytics workflows require multiple human roles to clean data, right? So to create futures, generate insights, build dashboards, on prepare presentations. This program replaces the entire manual pipeline with multi-agent, self-correcting AI systems that reads raw enterprise data sets, understanding the structures and purpose, cleans and validates the data, builds high quality data, high quality visualization, and writes executive narratives, reports, and recommendations, explore patterns, correlations, and trends also. So the thing is, so the multi-agent architecture, I will explain the architecture in detail later on the video. And before that, without any further delay, just move to the implementation part of this capstone project. So I will explain this implementation through Kaggle notebook. Just go to the Kaggle section. Just move, go to Kaggle section. So how you guys have observed, my notebook is here. For better clarity and understanding purpose, I just edited this. So here my project is multi-agent enterprise AI analyst. I will explain these through each markup. Just go to this. This is install necessary libraries. So have you guys have ever used pip, right? So pip actually works to get the packages from the Python pip packages, pip install packages, where actually we have we also known by Python packages index is there. So what actually the pip is helps to get the necessary packages that are required for implementing the necessary code notebook. So we will go through there and we will extract the packages from the pip and install through this install through this command pip install. And another thing is the matplotlib and the pandas. So this is a basic visualization library in the Python, and this is pandas. So also known by pandas, right? And the second step involved here, after installing this process, set your Gemini API key. So how actually this plays a virtual role. So I will explain the process how to create a Gemini API key. Then after before setting your API key, so just go to Gemini AI Studio. After that, so here click the first website, Google Gemini AI, Google AI Studio. So go to the get started. Log in, if you are a new user, just log in with your email ID. Then after here, you are looking at this. There's a get API key section is there. So just click that. And here you are observing that create API key. If you are not creating any API key before, so it's an option for the new users to create an API key. So if you are creating an API key, if you have existing API key, that go there. And here you are looking your API key here. Copy this section and paste and use your API key wherever you want to use. So if you are new user, just create your API key like this and create your name your key and select for the cloud project what are the project that you are name the project, and then click on create section. It will create it. So this is the process how to create an API key. Then go back here, set your Gemini API key. So I created an API key called this. So what actually this helps a lot here, when you are setting Gemini API key, here you authenticate your notebook with Google Gemini API. So through this API key, so this allows your code to communicate securely with Google's AI models. So there are so many AI models involved in this Google Gemini API, Google AI Studio. So just create one API key from that model. So just after that, identify the support to Gemini key, model name, and set. So it plays a vital role in this. Why? Because if you are using low levels in terms of low level tasks, so low volume tasks, so it helps a lot to in identifying Gemini keys. If you are using high volume keys, high volume tasks, if you are requiring at the time you're requiring low latency, so here my it has a high volume task, so I'm using a 2.5 flash, so I could recommend to use 2.5 flash for your project also. Then after getting support, after getting support to Gemini API key model name and set it to your notebook, then after import the necessary things, so we already know about these importation parts. So here we place import and understanding the data. So this section marks the first AI layer. We're responsible for loading and analyzing the data set. It sets stage for automatic data profiling. So what actually the thing is, so we are using all these things here in this layer one data input and understanding. So we know about d types, missing data, so the total rows and columns, the basic data analysis process is done by layer one, and then data cleaning. So it totally depends upon data analysis. So if you guys are really interested, just comment below, so we will do one data analysis video in the further upcoming growth. So then after the KPIs computing. So here it plays a vital role here, KPI computing. This section explains that the KPI will calculated from the cleaned data set. Have you look at this? So it will give the business level metrics for the day, for the project. So after this getting detecting date time column. So after already know about this is a basic data analysis process. So just know that. So detect anomalies is also detect some anomalies within the data related to analytical processes also. So we will create a separate video on this. So this is a very crucial step in this in this project. Build test contest for LLM. So we know that LLM is terms a large language model, right? So it's a type of AI trained on vast amounts of data. So here it understands and it works upon it works upon to convert the vast amount of data to human readable text. So it splits according to that, used for tasks like content creation, translation, and have you look at this, the lines happen, I mean, have you look at this, the summarization process also there, the KPI summary is there. So this is useful for, this is the main step to convert the test, whatever the test, the large vast test into human readable one. So after getting this is the first AI analyst system prompt. So enterprise AI analyst system prompt. Based upon this system prompt only, so we force the model to do this system prompt in based upon this system prompt only, it will give the necessary output for your model. So it will have the CEO summary. So we will see the CEO summary at the end of the output section. So within 3 to 6 bullet points, so we forced our model to give this all this section. So this is the first one, and the second one is the AI agents that are here, that are I'm using in this project is EDA agent system system prompt. So exploratory data analysis. So I'm using this also. I'm forced this model to give this all this section. Then after I'm using ML agent system prompt. So the ML agent system prompt is also one of the layer agent system prompt. So it will based upon these things, I force this model to give this. So in the narrative BI agent system prompt. So I will explain the each and everything, but I think the video is too long to for this. So I will explain in the output section. So the agent calling. So here, after the getting all these system prompts, we just call the agent and we embedded all this thing. We included all these thing in a single one. So multi-agent reasoning from layers. So we just taking all this one and just call this one by using these things. So just multi-agent reasoning from layers. So embedded into single layer, and the reasoning and the insights are there. After that, we'll go to the run enterprise AI multi analyst agent. Here, I just run this. Before running that, we should know we should I mean we should have your data set. Here it is my enterprise sales data CSV. It is in the CSV format. So I just uh, uploaded the CSV path. I mean the data path, the path of this. Just it is in the CSV, so just uploaded there. Where I will show you that. Yeah, this is the CSV path. Have a look at this. So this is the path, and this is my API key that I generated from Google AI Studio, and this is the model name. So when I run this, with the result statement, whatever the whenever calling, I created real LLM client, right? So when I calling the results at the time, it gives the results like CEO story. So for the first term, it gives 6 bullet points. Have a look at this. It gives six bullet points, observing the data set carefully and creating and force my model to give this CEO story summary. So what actually the summary gives, overall all sales performance is strong but dynamic. So it gives the sales performance are good, but it is dynamic up to limit. So it forces that one on data model and tables. It gives the data models and the tables related from this. So the first, the basic use of this one is by giving these all the recommendation, the ML agent and EDA, and so it will help to reduce the workload of data analyst, mostly on uh, business realms, like uh, we are using Google, Microsoft, and all these stuff. So you are getting more and more manual work there. So by using this, so it will reduce some work. So based upon the instructions that are given to this, so we can just create the Power BI dashboard. We can just create. It is also help. It is also help in data scientist optimization and the solution. So it also gives the ML future engineering. Future engineering also it is going to give. So I'm not saying that the it fully replaced by data. It is fully replaced the data analyst. So without any human touch, it should not be more optimized rather than the AI. So here the fact tables and all the stuff. So we'll go to the ML and so the product and category inside. So it will give a lot of thing. The portfolio story also for resume, LinkedIn interviews. So how cool is this, right? So moving forward. Just go with. So this is the ML. Here, the ML production and monitoring consolidation. Wow. Apart from concept drift, and moreover retraining currency and schedule retraining, and all this stuff. So based upon this, I just created one Power BI dashboard. I will show you that one also at the end of this video. So this is the Enterprise AI Analyst architecture diagram. So I just explain all this stuff before. So I'm not going to explain further. I'm not going to dive into this AI architecture. So just I want to create based upon. I will explain in this notebook. Just yeah, I will look at this based upon that. Insights that is given by the AI agent. I just created. It also gives the DAG queries. So I will explain through DAG queries. Wait, I will also go through the DAG queries. So it does also give the DAG queries. Wait, where's what actually the DAG queries? So, um, uh, yeah, look at this. So the dark queue is total revenue. So how to calculate the total revenue calculation with the calculation it also gives. So it is easy to get all these terms. So if you guys are really interested to learn Power BI, just create these type of agents. It will help you a lot. So all the Power BI concepts that are involved here. You just know to how to create, how to drag and drop there, how to create, how to header that one. So basics of Power BI is enough to create a dashboard, a powerful dashboard. Yeah, based upon these queries, I'll go through this. So it's cool. I mean, sounds good, right? Right. So these AI agents helps a lot in understanding the concepts behind each and everything, and it makes us to learn easy. And moreover, the thing is, if you guys are really interested to go to the series of AI agents, so we are going through the AI agent course. By the end of this month, we will get 2 to 3 videos on AI agent. So please like and subscribe.